In this video, we're going to learn how to highlight duplicates and remove duplicate records. We're going to try a number of different techniques. So with the first technique, we can highlight, reorder the table alphabetically. So sort, let's sort by surname, for example. This technique is not that useful because as you'll find, there are 4 Jameses. As it turns out, there are 2 duplicates, 2 Bob Jameses and 2 Mark Jameses. So this is not necessarily very useful. Technique, highlighting duplicates. So for example, going by surname, we can visualize what we just found. So there are a number of Pauls, Jameses, Jabs. How useful is this? Questionable usefulness. Confusing. So for example, if we were to highlight the whole table, it becomes really confusing. Not useful. Very confusing. Now the method that is the most efficient is highlighting all the columns, go to data, remove duplicates, ensure that all the relevant columns are selected, make sure there are no gaps in the data is complete. And by selecting all of this criteria, what the check will do is to ensure that any records that are duplicated in more than one instance across all these columns are removed. So we've selected all the columns, hit OK. Excel tells us that 4 duplicate values have been found and removed. What it means is that 4 rows have been removed, and we know that because the data available now is compressed compared to what it looked like before. I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching. Bye. Best.